the sales have been stagnant. It did technically beat earnings expectations, but when you look at the long term, it's just either been again flat or stagnant. And part of the problem, again, as you mentioned earlier, the company has been controversially involved in various DEI initiatives that simply didn't resonate with the consumer. And also, historically, Target has positioned its brick and mortar stores into what are essentially known as lifestyle centers. And specifically, if you look at major cities, Los Angeles, San Diego, and other areas, the Target stores are typically located in near popular restaurants or Cineplex operators. And with those industries also having struggles, especially the box office, Target is unable to get some of those added on sales. People are less likely to make it a night, and therefore that has had a negative impact on Target's overall results.
Okay, moving on to Walmart. It had strong sales in its second quarter, but missed Wall Street's earnings expectations as stock went tumbling. The company basically says Trump's tariffs are absolutely driving up cost. Your take on this, and there's no immediate break in sight for that company.
Yeah, Walmart has been, in many regards, has been a bright spot. But with that that earnings miss, that seemed to spook investors because that was, I believe, the first time in over 3 years that the company missed on the bottom line. And right now, investors are concerned about overall stability and viability amid the unusual circumstances in the economy, and as well with the tariffs and other the geopolitical situation. There are concerns that even Walmart may not be able to weather the storm. There was a higher mix in sales towards its grocery business, so that tells you that there's been some pressure in terms of discretionary spending. So even with Walmart shoppers, everybody is pulling back a little bit because they're feeling the heat, especially in the middle to lower income categories.
Okay, so if they're pulling back, explain how wholesale clubs, Sam's, Costco, are doing well right now. Are people really finding a significant bargain there? Is that the big draw?
Sure. Well, the wholesale clubs, they have a critical advantage because of their membership fees. So they have ability to cushion their margin. So when they're not necessarily on the same position, they have on the starting block, they have a significant advantage because they're able to mitigate a lot of the earnings shock with those membership fees. And also with the wholesale clubs, the business model itself incentivizes bulk purchases. Because of those membership fees, the wholesale clubs are able to offer discounts that the quote-unquote regular retailers cannot. And then they could incentivize bulk purchases. Bulk purchasing, of course, helps in terms of the inflationary environment, helps to cushion the inflation impact for everyday households.
Have we reached the point yet where products made in the United States, as opposed to importing, are having a significant impact on consumers' wallets? And is that something that they are looking for?
Yeah, I think there is starting to be a peak situation there, because one interesting fact about the tariff drama is that last year the U.S. imported about $25.2 billion worth of furniture from overseas sources, and about 60% of that of those imported furniture goods came from China and Vietnam. And so with higher costs, that's going to have a huge impact on the furniture and home goods market. Now, the counterpoint may be, especially by the Trump administration, that we're going to create more jobs for Americans, that we're going to create a furniture economy here in the United States. The problem is that, especially with the Chinese, they have integrated their furniture ecosystem so that their overall supply chain is extremely robust and integrated, and so it features multiple components in a cohesive structured in a cohesive manner. And so that kind of a structural advantage, it's not going to be easy for American industries to compete against the integrated model that the Chinese have adopted in the furniture space specifically.
Okay. Josh Enomoto, thank you so much for your insights. Always good seeing you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.